Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Friends, in this video we discuss about the important thing about the TS 10th class marks memos 2020. It will be issued directly to the students and also discuss the important things. First one, how many students will get the 10.10 GPA and how to download Telangana SSC marks memo 2020. And third thing, what about the advanced supplementary examinations this year? These important things we discuss in this video. Before going to the video, please subscribe and like and share this information to our friends and family. And the first thing is TS 10th class marks memos 2020 will be issued directly to the students. The TS Board of Secondary Education is presently exercising the all allotting grades to SSS students. To allot grades to students, the TSBSE has started collecting the internal marks of students and other concerned details. So this year all the students who have applied for the exams will be considered as qualified in the board exams as there is no pass fail process. The TS government is getting ready to issue the marks memos of 10th class students as the board is directly allotting grades to students and making everyone pass in the exams. There is no necessity of declaration of results specifically. The students will be issued direct marks memos based on their previous internal examinations. And the next thing is how many students will get the 10.10 GPA. As per the available statistics from source, this year 1.5 lakh students might score 10.10 GPA in class 10th in Telangana. As per the statistics, in the students who paid the SSC examination fee are most part from the private schools. Approximately 3.75 lakh students from various private schools have applied for class 10th examinations this year. In 3.7 lakh students, 1.5 lakh students got score 20 by 20 in their internal examinations. As per this, these students will get 10 by 10 GPA in 10th. And the next one is how to download Telangana SSC Marks Memo 2020. This year, total 5,34,908 students have applied for the 10th class SSC examinations in Telangana. The BSET ETS board has scheduled the class 10th examinations in March month, while the examination got cancelled due to lockdown announced by the central government. As this year all the applied students will be declared on pass, the board is now working on allotting the grades to the students. To allot the grades to students, the board is going to consider the score obtained by the students for 20 marks in internal papers. The score obtained by the students will be made 5 times to calculate for 100 marks in each subject. Based on of marks, students will be issued grade. Grade point average GPA shown after completing the GPA calculating process. The board is planning to keep the results on the website within 10 days. And the TS SSC exams, no advanced supplementary this year. So friends, no advanced supplementary in this year, as each and every student who has applied for the class 10th exams this year is said to be passed in the examination. There will be no be any supplementary examination this year. Students will be directly promoted, allotted grades and grade points as per their internal marks, and they will be issued the marks memos. Soon the board will announce the grade and GPA of students on its website. Students can stay tuned to the BSc Telangana portal to check the TS class 10th results, GPA marks and topics list. Or if you want to how the grading will be given, which categories will take under to give the grading and how to download the how to check the results or any doubts about the TS 10th class exams in I will give link in the iCards or in description. See that video also. And if you have any doubts, comments on below comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and please share this information to our 10th class friends and families. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.